Hey guys, Billy with Side by Side Stuff, and today we're taking a look at Kolpin quick mount winches for UTVs. When it's time to pull yourself out of a sticky situation, you need reliability and power. Look no further, Kolpin has you covered with their line of quick mount winches. You heard me right, quick mount. Not only are these winches loaded with great features, the kicker is they come pre-assembled and pre-wired for a quick and simple install. Each quick mount winch comes pre-installed to a mounting bracket that is model specific and ready to go. Now let's talk options and features. Kolpin UTV quick mount winches are available in 3,500 pound and 4,500 pound models. They have a sealed motor and heavy duty gears, all designed to operate while fully submerged underwater, as well as handle negative 20-degree temperatures. Each UTV winch features a heavy duty 4-way roller fairlead and comes pre-spooled with synthetic rope. The 3,500 pound winch has 50 feet of pre-spooled synthetic rope, and the 4,500 pound winch has 39 feet of pre-spooled synthetic rope. Every kit also includes power cables, a contactor, a vehicle wiring harness, a rubber winch stop, a hook with a strap, and a premium dash mount control switch along with a handheld remote control. Furthermore, every kit includes instructions along with all the necessary hardware for the install. To top it off, all Kolpin quick mount winches come with a 5-year mechanical warranty and a 3-year electrical warranty from the manufacturer. Kolpin quick mount winches are currently available for various Polaris Ranger, Kawasaki Mule, and Honda Pioneer UTVs, but we expect Kolpin to have more applications available soon. To purchase a Kolpin quick mount winch or browse other Kolpin UTV products, visit sidebysidestuff.com. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and to see more videos like this, subscribe to the Side by Side Stuff YouTube channel.